investigating the most recent tendencies and innovations that enable people to make money online. In this video, we'll go through the area of AI-powered financial planning, and we will talk about how it can open up opportunities for online income. So let's find out. Before we start, we need to know what AI-powered financial planning is. It is a sector which is being revolutionized by artificial intelligence, AI use of cutting-edge algorithms, and data analysis to deliver individualized insights, suggestions, and forecasts for wise money management. It enables people to optimize their financial strategy and make well-informed judgments. The first key benefit of AI-powered financial planning is accurate forecasting. Forecasting future events, AI algorithms can evaluate enormous amounts of past financial data, market trends, and economic indicators. If we are investing in stocks, cryptocurrency, or real estate, artificial intelligence AI can monitor market circumstances and offer insightful data that will support our decisions. With the help of AI, we can make changes in the market and modify investment plan to increase our success. It uses sophisticated algorithms, machine learning, and substantial data analysis to provide precise forecasts. Data-driven decisions about investing, budgeting, and cash flow management, among other financial matters used by the people. AI optimizes our financial plan to increase success in the field of online money making. Another crucial aspect of AI-powered financial planning is risk assessment. Traditional financial planning typically makes use of past data and generalizations, but AI goes beyond that. AI algorithms may perform deep risk assessments based on a range of factors, including your income, expenses, debt, and investment portfolio. To calculate our risk tolerance, AI offers suitable investing opportunities, allowing us to make well-informed decisions and minimize potential losses. Advanced risk assessment capabilities are provided by intelligent financial planning using real-time data processing, multiple factor analysis, and individual risk profiles. It enables people to examine potential risks efficiently and make decisions that are consistent with their risk tolerance and financial goals. By using these strategies, people feel more confident in the field of online money making and mitigate any potential financial hazards. Now let's talk about personalized recommendations. In financial planning, the AI considers a unique financial condition, goals, and preferences. It maximizes our budget and savings by spending patterns, income sources, and financial goals. It can identify areas where we can cut costs, advise people to invest appropriately, and even help them in creating a tailored debt repayment plan. Our financial strategy will become more customized and efficient as a result of AI personalized recommendations provided by AI-powered financial planning, empower individuals to make informed decisions that align with their unique financial circumstances, preferences, and goals. By leveraging advanced algorithms and machine learning, AI analyzes a wealth of data to deliver tailored insights and advice. This not only helps individuals optimize their budgeting, savings, and investments, but also enhances their overall financial well-being. Personalized recommendations in the internet money-making realm can steer individuals towards lucrative opportunities based on their abilities, interests, and financial goals. Individuals can make proper decisions that optimize their earning potential and bring them closer to their intended financial results by embracing AI-powered financial planning. The next advantage of AI-powered financial planning is automation. AI algorithms provide various streamlined financial tasks, such as expense tracking, budgeting, and investment management. By automating these on AI, it will save and allow us to focus on other aspects of online money process. Handling AI financial risks, our time and effort saves you time and effort, allowing you to focus on other important aspects of your online money-making journey. Handling AI financial tasks, we will stay organized and never miss a payment and investment opportunity. AI-powered financial planning helps to identify potential risks and proactive measures to mitigate them. Whether it's setting up an emergency fund, securing insurance coverage, or diversifying your investment portfolio, AI can analyze our financial situation and recommend risk management strategies tailored to our needs. This not only protects our financial well-being, but also gives us a peace of mind while exploring online money-making opportunities. It automates routine financial tasks, such as bill payments and fund transfers, These systems can schedule and trigger payments depending on established parameters, assuring on-time payment of invoices and avoiding late fees. Furthermore, this AI systems may examine cash flow patterns and identify the best periods for fund transfers or debt repayments by improving financial management and lowering interest expenses, and extends to record keeping and document management. AI-powered platforms is the platform where we can digitize and organize financial documents, such as receipts, invoices, and tax forms, making them easily searchable and accessible. This automation simply simplifies the process of record keeping and ensures that important financial documents are securely stored and readily available when needed. By automating these various financial tasks, AI-powered financial planning not only saves time, but also reduces human time. The algorithms are basically designed to perform calculations, analyses, and repetitive tasks accurately and consistently, minimizing the risk of mistakes. It allows individuals to build confidence in their financial data and decision-making process. Automation is a key advantage in AI-powered financial planning that simplifies and streamlines various financial tasks, from expense tracking and budgeting to investment management and record keeping. Automation, it enables individuals to efficiently manage their finances and focus on other important aspects of their online money-making journey. By leveraging AI for automation, individuals can achieve greater efficiency, accuracy, and control over their financial processes. Lastly, let's discuss the role of AI in continuous learning and improvement. AI algorithms can improve their recommendations over time by learning from user interactions, feedback, and market data. When we interact with AI-powered financial planning tools, it collects data about our financial habits and interests, which allows them to provide more accurate and tailored insights. The more we are depending on AI-powered tools, the better they become at assisting in achieving your financial goals. AI algorithms can learn from user feedback and interactions. These platforms often provide mechanisms for users to provide feedback on the accuracy or relevance of the recommendations they receive. This feedback loop allows the algorithms to understand where they may have made incorrect assumptions or predictions, enabling them to refine their models and improve future recommendations. Now that we understand the benefits of AI-powered financial planning, let's address some common concerns. Security and privacy are a major concern. Given how sensitive the personal and financial information is, it is important to choose platforms with a good reputation that put data security first and use strong encryption to protect user information. Users should be careful about sharing their information and make sure that their information is safe by not giving it to third parties without their permission. Concerns about AI algorithms also center on how accurate and reliable they are. AI can give us valuable insights, but mistakes can happen if we give it bad data, give it biased training data, or if something unexpected happens. To reduce these risks, it's important to think of AI recommendations as just one of many things to consider when making financial decisions. Errors can be reduced by comparing information from different AI sources and getting help from a professional. Some people are also worried about what they see as a lack of human touch. They are worried that relying only on AI for financial planning could take away the human touch and make it impossible to get personalized advice. AI can make personalized suggestions, but it's important to find a good balance and remember that human knowledge and intuition are also valuable. AI should be seen as a tool that helps people make decisions, not as a replacement for people. The best way to plan your finances is to get advice from professionals or financial advisors when you need it. Unexpected things that happen on the market are also hard for AI algorithms to deal with. Even though AI is trained on data and patterns from the past, it may not be able to predict or react correctly to sudden market shocks or black swan events. For example, economic recessions and world crises can have a big effect on the financial markets. It's important to remember that AI algorithms are not fortune tellers. Instead, they should be used to help make decisions based on facts, not just to make predictions. Another worry is that AI algorithms are not easy to understand. Their complexity makes it hard for users to understand why their recommendations are the way they are. Some users might want to know more about how decisions are made. To fix this, AI-powered tools for financial planning should try to explain or show how the logic behind their suggestions works. Transparency and clear communication can help people trust and believe in AI-powered systems, which can help ease worries about how they make decisions. Individuals can reap the benefits of AI-powered financial planning while limiting potential hazards by identifying these concerns and taking suitable precautions. Selecting reputable platforms, practicing critical thinking, accessing human expertise where necessary, and remaining aware about the limitations of AI algorithms are crucial elements in successfully and responsibly utilizing this technology. So if you find the video informative, then please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.